It is crunch time. We don't have a lot longer before Christmas, so it is time to grab your fabric scraps, and I'm going to show you a few ideas that you can whip up really quickly from what you have on hand to put into Christmas stockings. I also have a pattern for Christmas stockings. If you still need stockings, you still have time. But today we're going to talk about stocking stuffers. First, how about a set of coasters? And I do have tutorials to make these square or round ones. You can just do a little set of 4, fits perfectly in there. Idea number 2, key fobs. So easy as long as you have the hardware, of course, but you can order these on Amazon. There's going to be a link below the video. These are really, really easy to whip up and they're fun to do seasonally. This goes right along with that, uses the same hardware, and this is for your lip balm. Or you can make it a little bit bigger and have it for lipstick. If you have someone in your life that prefers to wear lipstick to lip balm, just adjust the size and the length and you will be good to go. Similar to a coaster, how about a mug rug? I love mug rugs because basically it's a coaster that looks like a rug, rectangle, hence the name, but it holds a cup and a little snack. So you can put a cookie on there, a biscotti. You can go to the Dollar Tree, grab a mug, put the little mug rug in there, put a little note for a teacher, for a neighbor, for anyone else that you just want to give a little extra thanks to. Tie a bow on there, good to go, super fast. If you have dog lovers on your list, how about a poop bag holder that will hook right onto their leash? And speaking of leashes, why don't you whip up a leash? This is really easy. Scrap fabric, some nylon webbing that you can get at any craft or sewing store, and a clip. And look at that. It coordinates. So both of these in the stocking of a dog lover, you are good to go. Next, how about a glass case? I love these. It is 2 pieces of fabric. I make them with flex foam from Pellon because it gives that extra padding. You can also use your scraps of batting, things like that. You can make these for men or women. I keep them everywhere. I have 1 or 2 in my car when it's raining and I need to run into a store. I always grab my case, throw my glasses in there so I don't end up with raindrops making me crazy. And then the last 2 things are for the kitchen. How about a bowl cozy? This one is made with the template from Creative Grids. I have a tutorial for how to do that. I also have a tutorial to make kind of the squared edges where you're just folding and using darts and you do not need a template. This is hands down a favorite holiday gift for anyone I have ever given them to, and they fold up really easy to, again, go into the stocking. This basically is a built-in pot holder. They put their bowl in there, can go in the microwave. They grab it by the sides, take it to the couch, can use it for ice cream. So hot or cold, these are always, always a crowd pleaser. My last idea is if you do machine embroidery, go grab a cute design. I have some in my Etsy shop, and embroider a towel. You could do a kitchen towel, you could do a bath towel, you could put people's monograms, anything that's just personalized like that. If you don't have an embroidery machine, you could do some sort of an applique onto a towel. So those are my last minute ideas for you for Christmas. Grab your scraps, grab your ideas, lots of links below, lots of links on my blog, and happy holidays.